Hi, today I am doing the VW Sharon DSG 381 gearboxes, and common problem of these gearboxes is saying electrical pressure sensor fault. That we can do, and this is a Bosch ECU, and the part number you can see here is mentioned on there. So that's the part number here is a mention as well, OGC 927711G. So if you have the type of ECU, you have to bring the ECU to us. We can solve your electrical pressure sensor fault, and we can sort it out that one, or bring the car to us. We can replace the electronics control module and fix your problem. We can do all the other ECUs if you can see my videos, and we repair all type of ECUs, DSG units, CVT gearboxes. So you have to contact us and we can solve your issue. That's all the 2017 gearboxes, 18, 19 VW Sharon. So my phone number is 0740 2536 382. My name is Mr. Terry, and we are in Heathrow. You can see my other videos and you can get my address. And if you bring the car to us, we can take it out, repair it, a 4 to 5 hour job, and car will be fixed. No headache anymore. The pressure sensor circuit related problem. Thanks for watching my other videos.